Part 4 Nghĩa and Chang Love Story. A postman at the park talked to Nghĩa about how one of the best ways to get girl is being a great dancer. Nghĩa wanted to become a great dancer to impress Chang, the girl he met in an English class who he has crushed on. He found a dancing class advertisement. You've tried the rest, now go with the best. He made up his mind to give it a try, so he told himself, pain's path is pleasure. I will not take a rest until I become the best dancer in the world. The coach said, "The lad, don't try to be too perfect. Just try to be better than you were yesterday. Take the time." He said, "No, I won't stop when I'm tired. I will only stop when I'm done." He thought, Chang is on my league. She will notice me until I shine like a diamond. He practiced 8 hours every single day. He got better and better and better. Everywhere he went, all the girls loved him, but Chang always turned a blind eye to him. He didn't know why until he saw Chang's girl making out with his English teacher in the elevator. Anyway, thanks to her, now he has become a hot boy in his English class as well as his university.